Welcome to the next one. Here I have the magic mouse from Apple. A bit heavy compared to my HP mouse. It's also coming with a single battery. Let's see what inside. Let's begin. It's almost like the similar machines. There's no such change. The same kind of packaging they use for all the iPhones and for the computer as well. It is a bit heavy, much heavier from my HP mouse. Don't know whether they have mentioned the weight here or not. From the website, what I can see, the weight is 99 gram or 0.22 pounds. Let's see what else inside. Some packaging, some manuals and all the stuff, and of course a cable, type C to lightning cable. It will come here, but when the only drawback is when you are charging, you cannot use the mouse. It will go to USB C type connector available with the computer, with the MacBook, or with the Apple charger as well. So okay, you can charge it anywhere. Let's see what else in the magic mouse. There is the manual they have mentioned, and as if you can see, there is on off switch is there. If you can see it, there is on off switch which you can toggle. This is at this mode is at off condition, and if you see at the bottom, this is the lightning port. Let's see if I start my MacBook. And if I turn on this mouse, there is nothing on that side. It is not yet connected. I mentioned that first time this cable need to use to pair this device with the computer. So here is the USB, here is the lightning cable, and here we go. So it looks like my computer got something. Magic mouse, your mouse is wirelessly connected to the Mac. It is saying that it is already paired. Let's open this cable, and here it's shown that it is connected. If you are not sure why Apple called it as a magic mouse, there are a few features which stand it out from among the other mouses available in the market. Let's find it out what's inside and what makes it so special. Let's see. Okay, go to the system preference. From there, mouse option, and once you enter into the that particular application, you can see multiple options are there. On top there is point and click, and there is mode gesture. On point and click you have three options, and basically four. You can change the tracking speed as well, because it depending on the preference, people like move it faster compared to move slow. You can set based on your choice. Now on top you can see options like secondary click, scroll direction is very natural and smooth. And there is an option called Smart Zoom as well, where you can zoom it instantly. You can check all the options individually, how it is working, and based on your preference, you can keep something on or off. Now let's go to the next option, which is more gesture, where you can see three options are available, where you can sweep between pages, you can sweep between full screen, and you can select the mission control as well. Now the biggest question, why it is called as magic mouse. The first one, it doesn't need any additional hardware to connect your mouse with your computer like the other mouse in Windows. It need a USB jack small, which is basically connecting your mouse with your computer. It doesn't need it. Second point, it is a multi-touch surface which allows you to perform simple gestures such as sweeping between the web pages and scrolling through the documents as you have seen already. You do not need to change the batteries. It's a rechargeable battery. You know, you might be worried like when the life will goes off, how we are going to do it, but that's not the case with Apple. It lasts for a long, long period. So, and that's all about the mouse, magic mouse. Although it is in preference of individual whether they are going to spend 99 pounds on a mouse or go for the normal USB mouse available in the market. I chose this one for my preference. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get the notification of the new video.